A good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional on this day. It's Christmas Day. Yeah, first Christmas Day. Monday, the 25th, 2023. Yes, tomorrow it's a Boxing Day, and I've told you earlier we have no puzzles, no newspaper on Monday and Tuesday. So I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition, Saturday and Sunday, December the 23rd, 24th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star and the 2 stars Sudoku. Yeah, shocking news, because I've heard on the news on Christmas Day, they have bombed the refugee camp in Gaza. Well, 78 people are dead. Yeah, on Christmas Day. How could they do this on Christmas Day? Peaceful day, and they start with bombing on the Christmas Day. Well, let me continue. 7683. 7683. Yeah, how can we stop them with bombing, with the war? I cannot understand. We are people. Too weak to stop. Yeah. If you go on war, you will be a weak. Yeah, weak. It's not a strong country. It's a weak country. All right. 2 stars puzzle. This one I've already counted 28 printed digits. Should be in 0 stars. Because for 2 stars puzzle, usually 26 printed digits. This one has 28, but is indicated with 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 0 stars, faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 star or a 2 stars puzzle. All right, so let's get started. All right, which number can I pick? How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Can I do this the same with the opposite side? So 1, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have 3 and a 7 in this column. No 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 3, 7, and the 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2, 6. The 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second row, no 6 there. Only place 11, 6 should be here. So the 2 and the 9 are left. Okay. Yeah. What are these missing numbers then? 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2, 5, 8. Okay. So I need a 1 here, need a 7, and need a 9. 1, 7, 9. All right. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. I need a 7 there. Okay. And now, 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Okay, and now. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. And 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, here we have 2, 5, 8, and look, we have a 2 and 8 now in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 5 then. Okay. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only place left the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. Middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there, overlooked. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, so 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So, yeah, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, 3rd row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the 3rd column, 4 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the 3rd row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the 1st column. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Well, we have a 1 in the 1 in the 2nd row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. To the 9, we have a 9 now in the 2nd row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Need a 9 here, okay. 2 and 8, okay. 2 and 8. 2 and 8, and the 7. Alright, and now. 3, yeah, need a 3 here. 3 here. 3 there. How about here? 3 and the 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about 2 and a, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 and then, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the second row, the only place left is 7. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the minor 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the final 2 numbers 9 and 7. We have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finished in 11 minutes. Wow. Told you, need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. 0 stars puzzle. And we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.